ready to catch every 6 and wicket without missing a beat, right from your couch. First, power up your Samsung Smart TV and head to the Apps section, usually represented by an icon that looks like a collection of squares or an App Store logo. Navigate there using your remote. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search bar. Type in the name of your preferred cricket streaming service like ESPN, Willow TV, or Hotstar, whichever has the rights to broadcast the matches you want to watch in your region. Browse through the search results and carefully select the correct app. Pay attention to the app's logo and developer name to avoid downloading a fake. After you've found the correct app, click on the Install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically. Just wait until it finishes. Once installed, open the app. You'll likely need to sign in with your existing account credentials, or create a new account if you haven't already. Have your username and password ready. Navigate through the app's interface to find the live cricket section. It's usually clearly labeled. Select the match you want to watch, and get ready to enjoy live cricket action right on your Samsung Smart TV.